A group of lawmakers files a resolution in the House of Representatives calling for a joint session of Congress to discuss and vote for the revocation of President Rodrigo Duterte's martial law proclamation in Mindanao. The Makabayan Bloc believes the declaration has no factual basis and was an overreaction to the threat of the Maute Group.
No, yun ang hinihingi ng konstitusyon sa Kongreso na questionin at pagdebatihan yung desisyon ng presidente na magdeklara ng martial law at kailangan bukas ito sa publiko.
House leaders had said the Constitution does not require Congress to hold a joint session to discuss martial law unless it intends to revoke it. Albay Representative Edsel Lagman says Congress should immediately hold a joint session, even as he is resigned to the fact that the supermajority will reject this call. As an option, the opposition lawmaker said their group is planning to bring the issue to the Supreme Court.
Bakit naman sila takot mag-joint session? Bakit naman sila takot mag-joint voting? Ano ba ang tinatago nila? Ano ba ang ayaw nilang malaman ng media at ng taong bayan?
Magdala Representative Gary Alejano, another member of the group, says there's no need to declare martial law in Mindanao. He claims that based on his sources, no one from the government security group recommended the declaration of martial law in light of the Maute threat.
Last year pa na gusto ni Presidente mag-declare ng martial law.
After briefing senators on Monday, security officials will hold a similar meeting with members of the House of Representatives on Wednesday about the martial law proclamation.
Yung mga miyembro ng Kamara, meron ding mga katanungan, yung gustong magtanong, itanong na para maliwanag.
House Speaker Pantaleon Alvarez believes the proclamation has enough basis. On the critics of martial law,
pagka hindi ka naman tiga roon, tiga rito ka o kung tiga saan ka, medyo tumahimik ka na lang muna. Kasi kami yung concern kami doon Security namin yun.
After the briefing, congressmen will decide whether they will move to revoke the proclamation or not. Joyce Ilas, CNN Philippines.